Meaning of HMS Beagle.
HMS Beagle.
HMS Beagle.
HMS Beagle.
HMS Beagle. HMS Beagle was a British Royal Navy ship that sailed from 1826 to 1843. The ship is most famous for carrying naturalist Charles Darwin on his famous voyage of scientific discovery. During the journey, Darwin collected specimens and made observations that led to his theory of evolution by natural selection. The Beagle's voyage helped to expand our knowledge of the natural world and played a significant role in shaping modern scientific thought. Today, the ship and its legacy remain an important part of scientific and cultural history.